It's cruise day!
Yay!
Cruise Life TV, so much fun. Cruise Life TV, come aboard. Every day, new world explored. Sailing seas, we're living free. Come and join Cruise Life TV.
Hey everybody, it's Greg and Michele with Cruise Life TV. We are on our way to Port Canaveral to jump on the New Year's Eve cruise on the Carnival Vista. Getting on the turnpike, the Florida Turnpike, heading north. It is 8:02 and we will see you in Port Canaveral.
To Terminals 5-6, Port Canaveral.
We're staying in the left lane to Terminal 5-6, which is different than the Mardi Gras at Terminal 3. So this is the first time, actually this is the first time we'll be on the Vista, first time going to Terminal 6. Or do we continue to go straight?
I think we probably continue.
This is Cruise Terminal 5.
Actually, this is.
And we're going to turn right here. I don't see the Vista. Where's the Vista? I see a royal ship.
Oh, there's the whale tail.
I see a whale tail. And let's see here. You see something that says 6? I see 6 is over there.
Terminal 6, 8.
You filming the signs up there?
Oh, as soon as this thing passes, there we go.
Okay, so parking left lane. Pick up and drop off. Parking left lane. Can't go in that way. They are busy. Dropping. So I don't know. I guess we drop off the bags.
It says pick, yeah.
Is this Terminal 6?
Yeah, that's what the sign says.
Well, now I stop, so you can stop.
Baggage drop-off sign.
Can you film that sign?
I tried to get it, yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello there.
You can pull all up in tight. Pull in tight.
Pull in tight?
There you go.
Okay.
How you doing, sir?
Okay, so we just dropped off our luggage here.
It's a little hectic.
Yeah, it's a little crazy.
And as the sign says right there, it says parking at exit the port.
So crazy. There's that beautiful Carnival Vista.
Parking straight. Parking straight. Parking straight. And just
Go.
follow around and around. And your seatbelt's off. So when you pull in, disregard all the signs. You got to drop your bag off first, go around in a big circle, and then we come back to where we came in from, over there.
That's where we came in.
Yeah.
And then this is the Vista parking.
Vista. Thank you. What does this say? 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
Okay, so he's going, and I'm here, and let's see. So, welcome to the port. Take a ticket. I don't see anything for the sun pass. Carnival Vista 9 days. Would I give you an extra day? I guess I got to use a credit card. Hey Michelle, so here we are.
Here we are.
Yes, we are. Just got out. We just parked the car in the garage. We're walking over to the stop sign, the crosswalk, and there's the Carnival Vista. So we just walked in the terminal. Yeah, first boarding, A01.
Hello.
What you want to look for is your muster station.
That's the first thing we do on board.
We're going to play the zigzag game. Cruise Life TV, it's Michelle from Cruise Life TV. Ah! And scan that QR code.
Musical chair. We're about ready to get on board the Carnival Vista. All right, it's the Carnival Vista New Year's Eve cruise.
Officially on board.
We're going to the muster station, which is what we always do. It's D3, so it's on this deck, I guess is deck 3, and it's the Horizon Dining. On the way to the muster station, we get to go through the
Casino. So we are passing through the casino. Chris, Liz,
Where are you?
Chris, where's Liz? Liz, Chris. There's nobody here.
Not here.
Hey, you know what we should do? We should go into C4 and see what happens when we go to the wrong muster, just as a test.
As a test.
Dun 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 dun.
Great, look who it is.
Hey! Oh, look there it is, Marcella.
It's Marcella.
Yes, and no longer with entertaining.
Well,
No,
yes. She's a director.
Okay.
Entertainment director now.
Awesome! Congratulations.
Thank you so
This is
much.
terrific.
I do appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Oh. All right, let's try this again. And here we are. We're at the Horizon restaurant. We're doing our muster drill, and you need to scan our
Right
inside. Thank you so much. Hello, hello. Yes, that's right. You need to scan.
Only one.
Just the one. And you got us both.
You're on D3, one downstairs.
You know Marcella?
Marcela, no.
Oh, no.
She's the entertainment director.
She's on board.
Yes.
She's on board?
Yeah. Okay, so let's go one down.
All right.
Yeah, Ramil, R-A-M-I-L.
Okay.
Ramil. Let me get your name there.
He's gonna be our favorite bartender.
I know. Watch your bag.
Yeah?
Oh, fantastic. The one thing that you need to do is you need to get the Tahitian kiss. Michelle would like
It
it.
is my favorite.
I would like it.
Celebration, yeah? Celebration.
Yeah, the XL class ships that has the Red Frog Tiki. It has the
Tiki
two
bar,
levels.
yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
Okay. Now we got a longer line. D3. D3.
We're gonna do the Betsy's Guy's Burger hack with the pretzel buns and scrumptious Guy's Burger.
So which one are you going to do, Michelle?
Well, we're gonna do a plain Jane. I'm gonna do the ringer.
The ringer. Okay.
Yeah. So we put one plain Jane and one ringer.
Yes. Okay.
What do you want here?
Yeah.
I'm okay with none of that.
One. Only on one.
Only one and a half.
Awesome. You want some fries? No fries.
Oh, mine just one of the rings.
Oh, onion ring?
The onion ring and the barbecue sauce.
This one with
The other one. And some barbecue sauce. That's good.
Perfect, thank you. Okay, enjoy.
Thank you.
All right. You want some of the
Hey,
I'm Yoli.
Yoli, how are you? Nice
That's
to
my
meet
husband,
you.
Andrew.
Hey, Andrew. Not yet?
Beautiful eyes.
Oh,
Every time I see her, I'm like, oh my god, her eyes are so pretty.
Ah, that's so nice. Oh, we're gonna have a great time.
Yes. Well, we're having a steakhouse together tonight, right?
Yes.
The Betsy's Guy Burger hack with the pretzel bun.
Well, here we are. I couldn't wait, so I already took a bite. And it is amazing. Amazing. Oh my God. The next thing we do is, well, typically we get our drinks and then head over to Pixels. Is that right, Michelle?
Yes, that's what we do to get our VIFP Platinum gift.
That's right.
We are getting our Platinum VIFP gift, which is...
Is that right? And where are we?
We are at the Pixels on deck 5.
Here's the hats. Hi, Rex.
Hello, Rex. So I was here on a cruise 3 weeks ago, and I was told I could come and pick up my pictures here. It was a joke, Rex.
You gotta laugh, smile.
Gotcha. All right, but we are here to pick up our VIFP
Yeah.
gifts. John Hield said I should come and speak to T-Rex.
Do you know who John Hield is?
Yes.
And some of the shops, they have things like
Thank
this,
you.
like more like a chain. Oh, that's cute.
Michelle, here's
Yeah.
your gifts. And you get a pin, 2 pins. Look at that. Perfect.
Well, thank you very much, Rex.
Thanks, Rex. We'll see you later on during the cruise, okay?
Happy New Year. Look at these. They're
Oh,
beautiful.
look at that.
I'm going to switch it out here.
Oh, that's it. Now you're living in style. Okay. Have a great day, Rex. We'll
Thank
see you soon.